the Isuzu Giga 10PE1 12-wheeler self-loader truck. Imported directly from Japan and now available in the Philippines. This machine is your ultimate heavy-duty workhorse. Built for the toughest tasks in construction, transport, and industrial operations. Equipped with a powerful 5-tonner boom featuring 4 sections. This truck is designed to provide exceptional lifting capacity, ensuring efficiency and productivity on every job site. The 5-tonner boom offers superior reach and stability, ideal for lifting and transporting large loads with precision. With the OUTRIGGER long jack, this truck provides enhanced stability, making heavy lifting safer and more reliable. Equipped with a hydraulic winch, the Isuzu Giga 10PE1 can handle the toughest jobs, pulling heavy loads onto the truck bed with ease, reducing manual effort and maximizing efficiency. The truck also comes with durable ramps, making it ideal for loading heavy machinery and equipment directly onto the bed. The self-loader functionality simplifies operations and speeds up loading times. Built to handle the roughest terrains, the Isuzu Giga 10PE1 features a 12-wheeler configuration, offering increased load capacity, stability, and durability, making it the perfect solution for heavy-duty transport. This unit is available as is from Japan, ensuring you get a powerful and reliable truck ready for immediate use. Interested in upgrading your fleet with this powerful machine? Visit Jaffel International Trading Corporation at Argonaut Highway, Boton area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. For inquiries, contact our marketing manager 𝙗𝙗𝙗𝙗𝙗 at 0945-583-4079. Don't miss the chance to own this versatile, heavy-duty truck.